Good evening and welcome to the weather forecast. Chances for rain expected in the next few hours, especially over the southern part of the country. Clouds expected to increase gradually, and also fresh wind expected to be moderate, freshening at times, with the speed range between 12 to 45 kilometers per hour. And right now over Kuwait City, 20 kilometers per hour is the wind speed from the south. Partly cloudy skies, 22 degrees right now over Kuwait City. Around 70% is relative humidity, 10 kilometers for the horizontal visibility. Clouds expected to increase in the next few hours. Chances for rain also expected. That might be thundery at times, especially as the low pressure system in the region causing the cloudy, and chances for scattered rain expected, especially over some areas, the southern and western part of the country and over the coastal areas, and chances for thunderstorms that in the early morning of Sunday. Relatively cold weather, especially over the open and desert areas for tonight. Northwesterly wind over the western part of the country, southerly wind over the coastal areas and over the islands. Wind speed will range between 12 to 45 kilometers per hour. Temperatures at midnight ranging between 19 to 17 degrees over Kuwait City and Kuwait International Airport. Over the islands, Warba will be an 18 to 20 over Kubbar Garo and Al Maradim. The desert areas 15 Salmi, 16 Al Abdili, and will range between 16 to 17 degrees over Al Wafra and Al Wasib. And chances for rain and thunderstorm activities in the early morning of Sunday, with a fresh northwesterly wind. Wind speed will range between 15 to 45 kilometers per hour. 50 kilometers per hour also expected over some areas. Temperatures at 6 a.m. ranging between 14 to 16 degrees over the desert areas, 19 to 17 degrees over Kuwait City and Kuwait International Airport, and will range between 19 to 20 degrees over the coastal areas and over the islands. Chances for also dusty weather expected for tomorrow afternoon, as the northwesterly wind over the country will fresh. Wind speed will range between 20 to 50 kilometers per hour. Maximum temperature ranging between 20 to 22 degrees over the desert areas, 23 to 24 over Kuwait City and Kuwait International Airport, and will range between 22 to 23 degrees over the coastal areas and over the island. State of the sea for the next 24 hours expected to be moderate to rough, 3 to 7 feet for the wave height. Al-Fajr prayer will be at 4:31, sunrise at 5:50, and at 6 p.m. will be the sunset. Moving to the 5 days weather forecast over Kuwait City. Chances for unstable weather expected on Sunday. Northwesterly wind with a speed of 20 to 50 kilometers per hour. Scattered rain that might be thundery at times over some areas is expected on Sunday morning. 23 for the maximum temperature, 19 for the minimum temperature. And stable weather on Monday. Mostly sunny skies with a northwesterly wind with a speed of 10 to 35 kilometers per hour. 24 for the maximum temperature, 16 for the minimum temperature, and the wind expected to shift to south and southeasterly wind for the next 3 days. Partly cloudy skies with wind speed ranging between 10 to 40 kilometers per hour, especially on Wednesday and Thursday. Chances for light rain expected, especially on Wednesday. Maximum temperature ranging between 25 to 24 degrees, 17 to 18 degrees for the minimum temperature. Thanks for joining me. Back to the headlines with Dina and Wafa after the weather expected around the world.